Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutional traders, such as a big bank or a hedge fund, will trade on, and it's commonly inaccessible to the investing public. It can leave the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information and cause them to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can make much more confident and successful trades following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. You can see it's Wednesday, September the 13th, and MMM pops up at TradeAlgo.com and the number one overall position on the main dashboard with a huge increase in institutional bearish pressure. So no surprises, the stock drops nearly 6% as a result. What our technology is identifying is that typically in MMM, only about $115 million of the stock is traded behind closed doors in private exchanges by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, it's almost $360 million. So it's hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the more influential market type makers. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early. Hence why we follow market makers who commonly have access to information before retail or consumers do, as well as using lightning fast machine learning technology to be able to pick it up in real time. So you can see on the alerts tab at tradealgo.com, MMM pops up at 10:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with nearly 2.5 times the average amount of bearish pressure that's normally seen there. If you were to have followed smart money transactions and you were to have done put options on MMM, look at that nice list of triple and even quadruple digit returns. The $100 put option has the most daily volume and open interest. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that contract. We know that our AI technology picked it up at 10:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 10:30 candle here. This would have been 10 to 15 minutes later. Options were hanging around about 4 cents. At its maximum, 70 cents. From 4 cents to 70 cents, that's a 1,650% return, just shy of. Now, it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. As you can see, the market moves very quickly. It's about getting access to the information down here using TradeAlgo as opposed to getting it over here, which is when retail traders will commonly get it after everything has already moved. What we mean by that is maybe you didn't even enter into the trade until nearly 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you hopped out early for just a quick day trade or a quick scalp. That's still a 120% return. That's still a triple digit move. Maybe you ended up hopping in at nearly 1:30 and you weren't able to get out until towards the end of the day. That's still a triple digit move. Again, get your information down here. Don't be chasing it over here after profit has already been made. And it wasn't just MMM, there were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's take a look at maybe just one or two more for the day. They're going to be on the trending downside of the equation. Again, we're going to take a look at both Moderna and Pinterest. You can see both of them boxed in here. Moderna had a 444% increase in institutional bearish pressure. Pinterest had a 164% increase, both massive companies dropping over 4%. Pops up at tradealgo.com on the main dashboard for our users to be able to take advantage of. Let's take a look at the alerts tab and see when Moderna was initially identified at 9:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so just a couple minutes after the market opened, with 22 times the institutional private exchange bearish pressure than is normally seen there. If we look at Pinterest, that was identified at 10:33 a.m., so that was just an hour later, with 1.54 times the bearish pressure. Let's go ahead and follow smart money type transactions into Moderna on some put options. You can see a nice list of triple digit returns. The 110 and the 108 put option had a lot of daily volume, and the 110 in particular had a lot more open interest as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at that one. We're going to go to the 15-minute, or actually, excuse me, the 3-minute chart, because we know our AI picked it up at 9:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Down here, options were about $1.03, moving all the way to $3.39, 227% total move. Again, maybe you didn't even get into the trade until over here at almost 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then who knows, maybe you got out just a little bit early before it hit the peak. Still a triple-digit return. It's 227% total from the time of identification to the top spot, and you can see when you get your information early, you have a little bit longer to react. So 227% total. Maybe you made 200% out of it, 100% out of it. Maybe you only made 50% out of it. That would still be an excellent day. Let the AI and the algorithms do all the heavy lifting for you, and then you get to reap the potential benefits and rewards on the trading side of the equation. And then, of course, let's go ahead and take one look at Pinterest on the options chain here at TradeAlgo.com. For example, let's look at the $26.50 call option that had a lot of daily volume and open interest. We're going to go to the chart, and this one was identified at 10:33 a.m. So in between here, this is the 10:15 candle, this is the 11 a.m. candle, and options were hanging in between about 14 to 16 cents. So let's say you got in at about 15 cents. It's a max return of 206%. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.